struggle to hide the loneliness that haunts my mind, leaving me feeling alone in my life. I'm tired, so drained, my heart feels hollow, utterly pained. Need help to fill the void again, someone else to share this journey, a friend. As time goes on, I start to doubt if this dark phase will ever pass out. Need a magical potion to wake from this wretched emotion. Maybe some sleep is the solution to leave these blues